Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
do laparoscopy and hysteroscopy in any order. Fertile women, the bilateral tubal block at the cornua is diagnosed on hysterosalpingography. Next step is when you see bilateral tubal block, you should do laparoscopy and hysteroscopy also. Then postcoital test detects presence of all of the following except it detects the cervical factor abnormality, sperm count and sperm abnormality. It does not detect the fallopian tube block. Then postcoital test is mainly done for cervical receptivity. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.